Hello, I'm Olivia Agar, and this is Mercado's Wool Market Insight Update for Q4 2020, brought to you by Nutrient Ag Solutions. It was all doom and gloom for the wool market in our last report after demand for a short period it seemed to disappear on us. But we have a much more optimistic story to tell this quarter with stronger sentiment and prices recovering. The Eastern Market Indicator and the Western Market Indicator both improved on the quarter. The average EMI was up 16.7%, while the average WMI improved 14.5% for the quarter. And the market has been holding at these levels really well, with very little volatility compared to what we were seeing earlier in the year. The wool market indicators also rose strongly in US dollar terms, and that's a genuine indication that it was demand driving the market. One of the interesting features of the wool market at the moment, though, is the growing fine wool premium. It's almost gone unnoticed, but the fine types were nearly back at year-ago levels by the end of 2020. What we're showing here is the price difference between fine 17 micron wool and broader 21 micron wool. So basically, it's the premium or basis for fine wools over time. And just in the last quarter, the premiums lifted 110 cents. So what causes that premium to move around is the change in the relative supply of fine wool compared to broader wool in the market, which the seasonal conditions play a big part in. So during the drought, the wool clip moves towards more finer wool because there's a lack of feed, which shows up in the fibre diameter, and that happens in a good season. So now that we have had a good season in the east, the clip is again moving broader, which means the volume of fine wool as a percentage of the clip decreases. And we can already see that trend occurring. So this chart now shows the change in volumes for the various micron wool as reported by the Australian Wool Testing Authority for the month of December and the 3 months leading to December versus the same period a year ago. Now, I'll focus on an example here, and if you look at the 17 micron, there's about 17% less wool of this micron category tested in December last year compared to December 2019. And comparing the 3 months of October to December, there was 27% less. But if you move along and look at the broader categories like the 21 micron, there was a 26% increase in volumes in December 2020 compared to the year ago. So that change in the supply balance between microns could very well see the finer microns again be the shining star of the wool market in terms of price. Well, thanks for listening to this quick wool market update. For more insights from Mercado, please head to our website or listen to our podcast, Commodity Conversations. Hello, I'm